Students, so continue the problems from the last exercise. Now find the values of x, y, z in the following equation. So first equation is nothing but equality of two matrix. So one of the matrix is 4 3 x 5 and another one is y z 1 5. Now whatever the condition of equality of two matrix, ಎರಡು matrix na equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ if these two matrices are having in the same order, whatever the order of the matrix, 2 cross 2. Order of the both of the matrix is 2 cross 2 and corresponding elements are always equal to each other. Corresponding elements means first row first column, first row first column, first row second column, first row second column ಈ ಥರದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So by using that condition of equality of two matrix, first element is equal to first element, that is 4 is equal to y, therefore the values of y is equal to 4. Similarly, second element is nothing but 3 is equal to z, therefore the values of z is equal to 3. Similarly, second row, so x is an element of the second row first column, corresponding element is nothing but 1, therefore x is equal to 1. So again last element is always equal to some constant element. Second row second column alirant element purely constant, that is always equal to each other. So therefore the values of x, y, z is nothing but x is 1, y equals 4 and z is equal to 3. So similarly next one is nothing but again order of the matrix is nothing but 2 cross 2. Elements of the first row first column x plus y is equal to corresponding element is nothing but 6. Therefore x plus y is equal to 6. Similarly, second element is purely constant if it is equating with the corresponding element. Then second row first column means 5 plus z. 5 plus z is equal to 5. Then last element is means second row second column is always equal to 8, that is x into y is equal to 8. But if these are the some two variable equation, but in the previous example it's purely depends on the single variables, either addition or then subtraction ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲದೇ single variables ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So but in that equation which contain minimum two variables ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So therefore these equations are will be naming with x plus y is equal to 6 is called as an equation 1 and the second equation is a single variable 5 plus z is equal to 5 single variable, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ z is equal to 5 minus 5 is nothing but 0, therefore the values of z is equal to 0. But in the third equation is nothing but product of two values x into y is equal to 8. But solving these two equation x plus y equal to 6 ಒಂದಿದೆ, x into y is equal to 8 ಒಂದಿದೆ. So ಇವೆರಡು equation ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ to get the values of x into y. So if one of the method is possible to by using an inspection method, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6 ಬರೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 8 ಬರೋ ಅಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 4 and 2, 4 plus 2 is nothing more 6, 4 into 2 8. Similarly 2 and 4, x is nothing but 2, y is nothing but 4. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ as ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2ನಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ x is equal to y divided by 8 or y is equal to x divided by 8. Then such a value can be substitute as in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1, that is x is nothing but 8 divided by y plus y is equal to 6, then we will get an LCM. So numerator is 8 plus y square is equal to 6. So get cross multiply and represented in the one side, y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. It's a one of the quadratic equation. Then check whether it's a factorizable or non-factorizable. So after multiplication is nothing but 8, adding and subtraction is nothing but minus 6, that is nothing more 4 2s. So y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. So in these two terms now get a common factors on y, that is y minus 4 minus 2 as a common factor, y minus 4. So therefore y minus 4 is equal to 0. Similarly y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Then these are the different values of y. But such a values can be substituted as in equation 3. Now put y is equal to 4 can be substituted in equation 3. Then x is nothing but 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So similarly put y is equal to 2 in equation 3. Then x is equal to 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So therefore the values of x, y, z are x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 0. It's one of the possibility. Similarly x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, then z is equal to 0. That is another one of the possibilities. ನೋಡಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಬೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಆದರೆ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 4, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 4 ಆದರೆ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 2, ಬಟ್ ಝಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಬೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವೈ, ಝಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z equals 9, 5, 7. It's purely one of the column matrix. What about the order of the matrix is 3 cross 1. That is also 3 cross 1. Then equating the corresponding element. First element is y plus x plus y plus z is equal to 9. Let be called as an equation 1. Second one is x plus z is equal to 5. It's called as an equation 2. And third one is y plus z is equal to 7. It's called as an equation 3. Now solving these three equations to get the values of x, y and then z. Now first while solving first and 2. Solving in equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 it's also can be written as x plus z plus y is equal to 9. ಈಗ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, x plus y plus z is equal to 9. X plus z can be taken as in their one group, plus y will be separated because it's one of the terms are represented as in equation 2. So by using in equation 2, so x plus z is nothing but 5 plus y is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to 9 minus 5, it's nothing but 4. That is the value of y. So similarly solving in equation 1 and 3. Equation 1 and equation 3 can be solving with the same procedure. Again in equation 1 can be written as x plus y plus z is equal to 9. Means y plus z can be taken as in their one group. Then by using in equation 3, y plus z can be written as 7. That is x plus 7 is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 minus 7, it's nothing more 2. Therefore the values of x is equal to 2. So now y is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So if these two values can be substituted in any one of these two equations, z, x plus y plus z, otherwise x plus z, otherwise y plus z. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 3ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪುಟ್ y is equal to 4 in equation 3. That is 4 plus z is equal to 7. Then z is equal to 7 minus 4. Therefore z is equal to 3. That is the value of z. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3 are the values of x, y, z in the given equations. Next one, find the values of x, y, z, a, b, c in the following equations. So again we will be consider some 3 cross 3 matrices. 3 cross 3 matrices, then equating with the corresponding elements of them. So first element is nothing but x plus 3 is equal to 0, and it is one of the single variable equation, therefore it can be solved in direct. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. Similarly, second element is nothing but z plus 4 is equal to 6. It is also a single variable. Therefore, z is equal to 6 minus 4. It is nothing but 2. Therefore, z is equal to 2. Then, third values is nothing but 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. But it is a single variable, but y can be represented in 2 different places. Therefore, it can be solved in the form of separation. Means, in terms of variables are in their one side and remaining constants are in their another side. So, minus 2 can be taken as in the left hand side is nothing but 2 minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2y. So, 2 minus 7 is minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 2y is nothing but y. Therefore, the values of y is equal to minus 5. So, similarly, the next row corresponding element is purely equating with their constant. Therefore, it gets neglected. Next value, a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, a is equal to minus 3 plus 1. So, minus 3 plus 1 is nothing but minus 2. Therefore, a is equal to minus 2. Similarly, third value, 0 is equal to 2c plus 2. Therefore, 2c is equal to minus 2. Then c is equal to minus 1. Third row, b minus 3 is equal to b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. Again, we will get separated in terms of variables and then constant. Now, their variables are can be taken as in their one side and remaining constants are in their another side. Minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 2b minus b. So, minus 4 minus 3 is nothing but minus 7 is equal to b. Therefore, the values of b is equal to minus 7. So, once we will check whether again minus 21 is equal to minus 21 and 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 5 and z is equal to 2. These are the values of x, y, z, a, b, c in their given equation. Find the value of a, b, c, d in the following equations. So, first one is 2a plus b 2a minus a minus 2b 5c minus d 4c plus 3d is equal to 4 minus 3 11 24. Now, again equating with their corresponding element. 2a plus b is equal to 4. It is a one of the equation with two variables. Similarly, second one is nothing but a minus 2b is equal to minus 3. That is also a some two different variables. Next one is 5c minus d is equal to 11 and 4c plus 3d is equal to 24. Now, observe this equation. These are will be called as simultaneous form. A and b plus x and y na assume madidre ax plus by plus c are equal to c formation ge bandide alvegale. So, therefore, these equations are solving by using the condition of simultaneous forms. Means, in the second equation or the first equation are get multiplied by the corresponding constant. So, now comparing their coefficient of a in these two equations, it's get multiplied second equation by 2. Otherwise, comparing with their coefficient of b, so first equations are get multiplied by 2. So, after that 2a plus b is equal to 4, it's multiplied by 2, 2a minus 4b is equal to minus 6. Then we will get subtracting minus plus 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 2a minus 2a are get cancelled. B minus into minus plus 5b is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. Therefore, b is equal to 2. Then such a value of b can be substituted in any one of these two equations to get the values of a. So put B is equal to 2 in equation 1, that is 2A plus B is nothing but 2 is equal to 4. Therefore 2A is equal to 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. Therefore A is equal to 1. Values of A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Similarly, solving in equation 3 and 4. These are also in the form of simultaneous. Comparing their coefficients of C and D in both of the equations. Therefore, we will get multiplied by 3 in third equations. That is 5 3s are 15D minus 3D is equal to 33. And another one is 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. Then these two are adding with each other. Plus 3D minus 3D are get cancelled. 15 plus 4 is 19C is equal to 33 plus 24 is nothing but 57. Therefore, C is equal to 57 divided by 19 is nothing but 3. The values of C is equal to 3. Similarly, such a value can be substituted in any one of these two equations to get the values of D. So, in equation 3 can be written as. So, 5 into C is 5 into 3 is 15 minus D is equal to 11. Therefore, 15 minus 11 is equal to D. 15 minus 11 is nothing but 4. Therefore, D is equal to 4. That is the value of D. So, therefore, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. These are the values of A, B, C, D in the first equation. Similarly, the next equation is nothing but comparing their coefficient. A minus B is equal to minus 1. Let be called as an equation 1. Next one is 2A plus C is equal to 5. It's called as an equation 2. And third one is 2A minus B is equal to 0. It's called as an equation 3. And 3C plus D is equal to 3. It's called as an equation 4. And first we will observe in this equation. Now what are the equations will be called as a simultaneous equations. Yavudavudana simultaneous anta karitivi. So in equation 1 and 3 are the one set of simultaneous. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are will be different forms. Variables. Ondralli A and C idre, innondralli C and D nalli values ide. So therefore A and B iranta equations enide 1 and then 3 are will be simultaneous equation. Therefore first we will solving these two equations. So solving in equation 1 and 2. Now first we will observe their coefficients. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 1. 2a minus b is equal to 0. Get these two equations are subtracting with each other. Minus plus minus. Then plus b minus b are get cancelled. A minus 2a is nothing but minus a. Minus 1 minus 0 is nothing but minus 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1. The value of a is equal to 1. Then such a values of a can be substituted in again any one of these two equations to get the values of b. Put a is equal to 1 in equation 1. That is 1 minus b is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1 is equal to b, then b is equal to 2. And iveredu simultaneous equations ಆಗಿರಿಂದ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ to get values of a and b. But equation 2 and 3 are will be separate equation, but 2 is depends on a and c and 4 is depends on c and d. But we already know that values of a in the above equations. A already values ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ a is equal to 1. Such a value can be substituted as in equation 1, 2. Put a is equal to 1 in equation 2. That is 2 into 1 is 2 plus c is equal to 5. Therefore, c is equal to 5 minus 2. It will be equal to 3. The value of c C is equal to 3. Then we will observe the last equation. Such an equation is depends on C and D. Now we will already know that the values of C. So such a value can be substituted in that equation. Put C is equal to 3 in equation 4. That is 3 3 is 9 plus D is equal to 3. Therefore D is equal to 3 minus 9. It will be equal to minus 6. Therefore A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 6. These are the values of A, B, C, D. And iveredu problems na ನಾವು observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so one of the equation is purely set of simultaneous and another one is some different types of equations or variables are represented in the given set of equation. ಈಗ ಎರಡೂ ತರದ equations ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. The next one is find the number of all possible matrix of order 3 cross 3 with each entry is 0 or 1. But it's one of the problem for competitive examination. CET, JEE questions formation alli kelantadu. So it's one of the matrix of order is nothing but 3 cross 3. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು matrix in order 3 cross 3 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ total number of elements of the matrix. ಆ matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು elements ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಲ್ಲಿ? Total elements is nothing but 9. So each entries is nothing but 0 or 1. 0 ಇಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ 1 ಇಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ we have two possibilities. So one it begins with 0 or it's one with 1. Therefore the total number of possible matrices are 2 to the power of 9. So it's nothing but 512. But the 2 power of 9 means 2 is represented for the possibilities of entries. A matrix entry ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು either 0 ಇಂದ or than 1 ಇಂದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 possibilities are represented in each matrix and total number of elements of the matrix is nothing but 9. Therefore total number of possible of matrices is nothing but 2 power of 9. Then the total element is nothing but 5.